Hello everybody, I'm in Johannesburg and I've ridden this bike for 20,000 kilometers from Morocco to here and for over 110 days. This is a video review of the accessory that I use most, of course without considering the ones that are already on the bike itself. So this accessory by Rolling Mavericks is the one that I use most because I've used it at least 60 or 70 times. Normally this trail jack stand, which weighs only 140 grams, so it's exceptionally light, is used of course when you have a puncture. And what you do, you put it here, or here for the front tire, and that's how you use it. And you use it in conjunction with a little strap that blocks the front wheel. And but I used it not just for punctures, but I used it to lube my chain. And because I've done that every day or every other day, so I've used this almost daily. And so at the end of the ride, I would place this. It takes 1 minute to set it up and lube the bike. So in 5 minutes, everything was over. So I can highly recommend this accessory because it's so useful and so light, and you just forget that you have it. And as I said, it's used for punctures. To raise your motorbike if you don't have a central stand, like for example my bike, a KTM 500. So that's why it's so extremely useful, as I said, for punctures as well as to lube your chain. So all the best to everybody. Rolling Mavericks trail jack stand. Thank you.